Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, the go-to channel for all things gaming. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting gaming accessories for Valorant players. The Gatokit Valorant Custom Keycaps OEM Profile 14 Keys PBT Dice Sub Keycap Set, featuring the iconic chamber design. If you're looking to elevate your gaming setup, these keycaps are a must-have, and we're here to tell you why. First off, let's talk about the design. These keycaps are custom-made for Valorant fans, particularly those who admire Chamber, one of the most stylish agents in the game. With a stunning design that features colors and symbols inspired by Chamber. These keycaps offer a perfect mix of aesthetics and performance. The 14 keys included in the set are all you need to enhance your mechanical keyboard, giving it a professional and personal touch that reflects your love for Valorant. Made from high-quality polybutylene terephthalate, these keycaps are known for their durability and resistance to wear and tear. The PBT material ensures that the keycaps maintain their sharp colors and crisp feel for a long time, even during those intense gaming sessions. Unlike cheap keycaps that fade or develop shiny spots, the Gatokit keycaps hold up beautifully, offering a smooth and comfortable typing experience. The keycaps feature dye sublimation printing, a technique that embeds the designs directly into the keycap, ensuring the colors and graphics stay vibrant for years. This also means they won't rub off easily, even with frequent use. So, whether you're playing Valorant or typing away at work, these keycaps will continue to impress with their design and durability. The OEM profile of these keycaps is perfect for gamers who prefer a standard key height, offering excellent tactile feedback and a comfortable typing experience. Whether you're in the middle of an intense Valorant match or just doing some casual gaming, you'll appreciate the smooth feel and precise key presses that these keycaps provide. In terms of compatibility, the Gatokit Valorant keycap set fits most mechanical keyboards, so you won't have to worry about whether they will work with your setup. The 14 keys set includes essential keys that can be swapped onto your keyboard in no time, giving it that unique Valorant flair without any hassle. If you're searching for the best Valorant-inspired keycaps, the Gatokit Chamber Keycap Set is an excellent choice. At an affordable price point of $22.99, it's a great value considering the quality and design you get. It's the perfect gift for any Valorant fan looking to add a little more personality to the gaming rig. To sum it up, the Gatokit Valorant custom keycaps in chamber design are a fantastic way to enhance your mechanical keyboard, providing durability, comfort, and a personalized touch that every gamer can appreciate. Whether you're a serious Valorant player or just someone who loves the game's aesthetic, these keycaps will make your setup stand out. Thanks for tuning into UK Pro Reviewer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this one. Happy gaming!